What's the meaning of bowman? Bowman. Bowman.
bowman, bowman.
The term bowman generally refers to a person who specializes in using a bow and arrow, typically for hunting or warfare. In a nautical context, a bowman is a crew member responsible for operating the boat's bow, such as deploying an anchor or fending off obstacles. However, the term can also be used metaphorically to describe someone who is skilled or proficient in their field, like a marketing bowman or a sales bowman. Overall, the word bowman implies a level of expertise and proficiency in a particular area of focus.